Bella doesn't understand. Wait, Brenna. Make her lay down.
Lay down, girl.
Lay down, Belle.
Wait a minute, Brenna. Okay. I think. Wait until Brian's ready. Hold on. Brian, are you ready? Is everyone ready?
Go.
Go. But
Let's clip to his pants.
What's in his pocket? He sent you a card.
Aww.
It's real life?
Maybe.
This is like America's most funniest videos.
What is it?
I don't get it.
What is it? What are they? What does it say? What's it say?
Go hug Harry.
What does it say? What are those?
Look, what are these? Yeah.
They're tickets to the concert.
Me, you see them.
You and Mommy get to go to the One Direction concert, 12th row, right in front of the stage.
Isn't that awesome? Are you so excited? Okay, be happy about it. Are you excited? We're gonna have so much fun.
When is it?
In
Oh,
August,
the one in August at M&T Bank.
we're gonna go to the
It's like a year
Ravens
from now.
Stadium.
You get to go see him. You'll be right up front.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
Go look at Harry.
Take your tickets over to Harry and give him a hug.
Say thank you, Harry. Okay.
I gotta watch this.
No.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Ready?
Okay.